People ask me all the time, hey Rex Del Rey, how you do so much? Listen, you get your ass off the couch and go do something. You go do something. You go do something. I've been living live since I've been alive. Even as a child, I learned to use my mind. It don't matter the subject, I picked it up and I did it. With these two hands, I saw my life and I built it. These hands were made for working, and that's just how I do. And y'all can sit here talking. I gotta move, I gotta go, I got things to do. I'm talking action, man, have an action plan. Do it big, do it small, do something to get it. But y'all don't do.
Hey guys, Rex Del right here. So we're out here at the Houston Fishing Show. Want to give you guys a quick overview of what we have here. It was really fun to actually build this this booth. If you guys know me at all, I'm a big DIY guy. So let's go check it out. So we've got two demo tables here showing all the things you could do with the action hat. I want to show you guys something. We got some cans weighing down the displays. We've got two pallet walls set up. Now they look like pallet walls, but I'll take you guys behind to see what it's actually made of. So first we're going to go ahead and move this display rack here. And this display rack with accessories also holds the TV. It's on wheels. And we'll take a look behind. And this is actually nothing more than a retail shirt display that I had in the garage. So this actually acts like a door back here to the storage. If you're doing trade shows, you always need some kind of storage in the booth that you can access, but it's not out there in front of everything. So the pallet walls, these are actually just sheets we picked up from Home Depot. These are 4x8. We built a little frame for them and put a piano hinge, a 4-foot piano hinge between the two. That way, this is lightweight, it folds in half. And then of course, I put on some kayak handles on both ends, and that allows us to carry this when it's folded. So me and PJ built these legs here, and they're removable, so they can fold down flat, and we just take these along with us. But that's pretty much it. We just drilled some holes here to display the hats. I mounted all the t-shirt designs on some artboard and just hung them up. So I'm pretty happy with the trade show display we have. Really looking to put this show on the road, be able to travel, do these fishing shows, and also of course get some fishing in whenever I'm in a new spot, hook up with the locals. So hopefully I'll be seeing you guys on the road. So in the meanwhile, check out some highlights from the Houston Fishing Show.
Alright, let's go.
I'm in love with this thing, man.
Hey, let's go live.
Do the horn.
Huh?
You ready?
Okay.
We're taking a little break from being stuck in both of our booths.
Right, right.
So we're gonna do a tour, right? So got the
Let's go.
hat going. We found these electric bikes that are right around this.
Did we just become best friends? I think we did. So I'm starting a new page. It's gonna be called Texas Sheep's Head Hunter.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be a cool page. Basically, the premise is we're gonna be hunting down sheep's heads. Yeah.
In the marsh?
Yeah, in the marsh.
Sign fishing?
Yep.
Original.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, so we're out here at the Houston Fishing Show, just showing people the action hat. As Mars said, it's a floating GoPro action hat. That means it's like a $40 insurance for your $400 camera. Now, the reason we came up with this product is because I personally lost 2 GoPros to the water. And if you know how that is, that's an expensive dunk. But our arch enemy number 1 is this head strap. So let me show you the issue with the head strap. If anybody uses the head strap, you probably hate it. So let's go ahead and put this on. So this is the sexy head thong right here, right? So what happens is, it's really not that comfortable, so you end up taking it off.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and take it off. So the minute you take it off, you then hook up with a fish, right? So try to put that on one-handed. No, one-handed. Try to. It's just not gonna happen. But then, you know, with the action hat, you could pop it on one-handed, and that's the real magic.
Yeah.
So you never miss out on the action. You never miss out on that catch of a lifetime. The action hat, you know, just it's as easy as popping on, right?